Hi, this is Chris at the Wandering Bull. In front of me today is the August bundle, and it's the 8th bundle of the year. And this one is going to be a quill work bundle. And in the bundle will be a piece of rawhide, piece of a square foot of deerskin, a turkey wing feather, 1 ounce of assorted porcupine quills. Right in front of me here is a 1/4 ounce. So it'll be 4 times that amount. Also, with the bundle comes the book with great illustrations, nice drawings, easy to follow, shows you how to start and how to end that quill, as well as good instructions. And it also comes with a package of 10 beading needles, the bobbin, a nice rawhide medicine wheel that you can quill later, the wax, the Wandering Bull ruler. So when you purchase the bundle, you'll receive this card. When you scan the code, it will bring you to the circle, and that is on powwows.com. We're doing a live class August 20th. So by scanning that, you'll get an invite to the class, and it is free of charge. So the easiest way to start here is I'm soaking some quills in warm water, probably an hour or so before I want to use them. Want to get them nice and soft. And the best way to cut out the rawhide slats, and here's some nice examples of quill work. So I'm going to use the ruler as a guide to come up with a piece of rawhide, nice and straight on both sides. And this is 3/8 of an inch thick. It's a nice diameter stock to work with. So I'm going to lay it on my rawhide, take my pencil, trace both sides of that. So I want to work with that. Let's cut it out. Now I have my piece of rawhide. My quills have been soaking, and we'll use some red here. Take my quill flattener. So with this project, to start off, you want to select the longest quills, give them a soak in the water for a half hour in warm water to an hour. I've selected a couple of quills. I'll start off with the red quill, and he's about 2.5 inches long. That's an exceptionally long quill. And I'm going to start by laying that quill across the back, holding it with, I'm going to lay it that direction, hold it with my thumb on my left hand. With my right hand, I'm going to wrap that quill around the rawhide and over that. You can see that where my quill is hanging down, and I'm wrapping right over that knot, and that's going to hold that knot in place. There's the end of that quill. I'm going to use the white quill, and then you can see how we add it. I'm going to lay that quill on top of the end of my other quill. You can see. Take the two, twist them together. So now my white quill is under the red. I'm going to continue wrapping and pull that tight. That end is a little close. I'll never get another quill onto that. I'll leave it there. So when you attend the class, we're going to do some more of this. And then at the end, I'll show you how to pull that quill back underneath your work so it ends your beginning and your end, and you pull that quill underneath and it will hold it in place. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go to wanderingbull.com. That's the website. You can give us a call at 1-800-430-2855. We'll be glad to answer any questions you have. That class is August 20th. Don't miss it. Thank you.